going on, folks? Never really spent a whole lot of time around Baling, so this is going to be quite the experience. Well, somebody's grading a freaking road. I'm gonna find him somewhere on here. He's still around. Yeah, there he is. Look at this guy. He's just out here just chilling in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna own this ditch. Knock on wood. And he's doing a dang good job grading that. The funny part is a lot of the county guys watch me. So you're probably gonna know exactly who that was. Like I said, guys, I don't know that much about baling hay, so kind of go easy on me if there's some experts in here watching. Leave over here. All right, let's do our string. Back in again, it's feeding. You can see it there on the side of the baler. Don't know, this is what we're making. 5.5 foot round bales, twine on them, not net wrap. So we really like to go with the smaller bales simply because they're a little bit easier to handle when it comes to smaller livestock versus, 6 foot bale if you had cows or something like that. Close our gate here.